And just want to make you aware that, the longer this takes here, the sideways movement, the less likely it is that we are already in a C wave. So my overall assumption is that we are generally in a bullish pattern to the upside, but that we are in this larger bullish pattern, which is a 5-wave move to the upside, that we've only completed a wave 1 at the moment. We are now in a wave 2 retracement that should get into this green target area located between 117 and $157. We already touched that area on the 20th of October. Scenario is therefore fulfilled, and we could at any moment in time start to move to the upside. But there are a few things that tell me we are not doing that, or at least they are giving some hints here and some indications that we're not immediately going to go up. And the point that I'm trying to make here is that we are currently staying below the 20-day moving average here, which is at $176. We are below the ascending trend line, and we are generally in a very short-term bearish pattern. Yeah, overall uptrend, yes, but very short-term bearish, because overall you're making here lower highs constantly, right? And you can even extend this trend line further, and you can see we're actually in some kind of what you could consider descending triangle, which could very nicely break to the downside. So that trend line is now a really, really good help for us, because we can now understand that if that is breaking to the upside, then this imminent downtrend could really be over. And I mean, there is a chance that wave C is already in. Yeah, the chance exists, and it's not my primary expectation. It's fairly unlikely, but the market does unlikely stuff all the time, because if we count this as an ABC, we can count in the C wave 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's possible. Can count that as 5-wave move down, finished. Yeah. So what we need to look out for now is a break of the trend line. This was already interesting yesterday, this sort of short-term pump, but it has come down a bit too low again. And the move up here also doesn't look convincing yet. So in the very short term, what we need to do to get a sort of a breakout signal is a move above the descending trend line and a move above the previous high at $176. Yeah, but I just want to highlight the possibility that because we can count 5 waves down, the downtrend could be over. It's not my primary expectation, yeah, especially not as long as we stay below the descending trend line, yeah. But as soon as we get above that trend line, things could heat up very, very quickly, and quant could move up fairly quickly to the upside. And the primary expectation though is to head down further and get into this support region here. So yeah, just a quick update really to let you know what's going on. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment.